I don't wait until monetization before I start making money on the YouTube space. I'm currently running 5 YouTube channels and 4 of them are monetized. And trust me, before they got to monetization, I make money out of all of those 4 channels before they got to monetization. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to make money out of my YouTube channel even before monetization, so that you too, even without 0 subscribers or even without watch time hours, as long as you are a YouTuber here creating content, right, you can actually make money on the YouTube space. And I'm going to be explaining to you every step of the way so that you too can do the same thing. Before we jump right into the video, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I teach you everything you need to know about growing here on YouTube. So I monetized my very first YouTube channel in 2021. That was the very first YouTube channel that I actually monetized, but that was not the first YouTube channel that I started, right? I started my first YouTube channel in 2017, but life happened and I did not continue using YouTube. I did not continue with the channel, and then I came back again in 2021 and grew another channel to monetization. That very channel was the very first channel that I monetized, right? And you guys, before monetization, I was able to make at least $500 from that YouTube channel, and this is how I did it. Now that channel, I talk about the business that I do, right, in that particular YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you so that you know this is not capping. That channel currently have 3,000, almost 3,800 subscribers at the moment, right? And that channel, I actually post videos of things that I sell, because aside YouTube, I'm an entrepreneur, right? And I sell human hairs, right? I'm an entrepreneur, so I talk about what I do on that particular YouTube channel. And one of the videos just skyrocketed, like one of the videos just blew up. Now don't forget, I was constantly posting content about that particular thing that I am doing or that particular thing that I'm selling. I make tutorials on how to use those things. I make tutorials on how to get them. I make tutorials on how to know the fake one from the original one. Like, I talk about it every single video, right? So people started picking interest in it. My video started growing and, you know, getting momentum. Every single week I post like 3 to 5 times, sometimes 5 times if I have the chance, and other times 3 times if I don't have the chance. Sometimes 2 times. I can really barely count twice that I posted, just twice in the week. Now when I was posting these videos, it started getting the traction because I was consistent, right? It started getting the traction. And then one of the days, when the channel was already about 4 months old, I have not got into monetization. As at that time, I had like 1,500 watch time hours already, and I had like almost 300 subscribers already. So when the channel got to that 4th month, right, one of the particular video that I uploaded actually blew up. That video got about 50,000 views, right? That video got about 50,000 views, and it gave me more than 1,000 watch time hours, you know, to actually help me complete my monetization, because that video and other videos in my YouTube channel actually came together to give me my monetization. But before monetization, when that video blew up for 50,000 views, a lot of people came into my DM. A lot of people sent me email address, because of course I left the link to my WhatsApp, my business WhatsApp, on that particular channel in the description box, right? So people clicked on the link, they came to my WhatsApp. My attendant was telling me, oh, these people came from YouTube and they said they are interested, they want to buy your product and all of that. And that was how we actually closed deals upon deals on that particular product. And we sold a lot of these products, you guys. I can't even tell you like how many of these products that I sold. So this is another way to actually make money on YouTube before monetization. You don't have to wait. All you have to do is make sure that your videos are good, and make sure that you talk about something that you are actually doing, that you know. Don't talk about something that you don't know or something that you cannot actually you know, do, right? Make sure you're talking about something that you have an idea about, and something that you can actually sell, or something that you can turn into cash, right? Other ways of making money here on the YouTube space, even before monetization, is selling of your mesh. Like, it's just like product also, right? But selling product that you are originally doing is another way of making money on the YouTube space. Another way of making money is advertising products for brands, but that one will require you to have massive views and engagement. So if you don't don't have massive views and engagement, you may likely not, be contacted by brands, because of course they will be the one to contact you. So I hope you've been able to get a thing or two about making money on the YouTube space, right? Without monetization, you don't need to wait. That is one thing I love about YouTube. You don't wait, and they don't tell you not to make money on the platform. Now, if you want to grow on this YouTube platform, if you want to grow here, I teach you everything that you need to know using all the tricks and tips that I got from monetizing 5 or 4 YouTube channels out of 5. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because on here I show you every single thing that I've done, every single trick that I've used to monetize, and the right ones to do, because of course some of them are my mistakes and some of them are the things that are actually proved to be right. So I show you the right path. So go ahead and subscribe. Do not forget to like this video if it helped you or if it worked for you. If you have any question about growing here on YouTube, or you are finding a thing or two difficult, kindly go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.